Hello everyone and welcome to our leak repair channel. I'm Tim Gaida, a professional engineer at My Engineering Limited. In this video, I will teach you what a leak repair enclosure is and how it works. A leak repair enclosure is a custom engineered device designed to contain an active leak or to prevent a future leak from a thinning or damaged section of pressure equipment. Other industry names for an enclosure are a leak box, a clamp, a coffin, or even an engineered pressure enclosure. When a defect is identified in a pressure component, the ideal solution is to replace the damaged pieces in kind. But that means shutting down the system or bypassing the section of piping that requires a repair. Both of those options can be incredibly costly and time-consuming. So instead of pursuing those options, many facilities opt for an online repair. And that's where a leak repair enclosure comes in. Here is a simple leak repair enclosure. Let's walk through the components and how it works to seal a leak. So as you can see, this enclosure has two halves that are bolted together with studs and nuts. There are also ports, drilled ports on the side of the enclosure for installing injection valves, like this one shown here. I'll quickly take this apart and then I'll show you some design features on the inside of the enclosure. Okay, I have it all apart. So with this enclosure, you can see that both halves are identical but mirrored. In many cases, enclosures are like this, except for perimeter seal enclosures, which have seal grooves that run around the outside of one of the enclosure halves. So typical design features for a leak repair enclosure are the end plates here that are rounded out, and those are machined to fit snug against the pipe with some packing or tubing installed. Then there's also the bolting lugs here where you can see the bolt holes pass through, and we have a top plate, which is what we call it, which is this part my finger is showing here, which extends to the outside. So all of those components are designed to be pressure containing. Then on the back, there's also injection ports here and here where the injectors are installed. And through those injectors, sealant is pumped under pressure into the void of the enclosure. So this is a void fill style enclosure. So the way that works is that this bolts onto the pipe like so. Sealant is injected into this cavity and it fills up all the voids between the enclosure and the pipe itself, which is what creates a seal. So enclosures like this one are designed to fit over a failed section of pipe or equipment, and they act like an engineered Band-Aid. So this is a temporary pressure containing solution that is used until a permanent repair can be completed during a scheduled shutdown. There are many different types of seals, injectable sealants, and variants of these enclosures that allow leak repair enclosures to be used in many scenarios and on tons of piping components, including straight pipe, elbows, T's, flanges, valves, laterals, orifice flanges, and other specialized fittings. These are a very versatile solution that can be adapted to nearly any geometry where pressure containment is needed. Thanks for joining me for today's discussion, introducing you to what a leak repair enclosure is. If you'd like to learn more about topics like this, please subscribe to our channel or join our mailing list, and we'll send you more great information as it is released. You'll find the mailing list link in the description below. Thanks for watching.